Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CB500F. This is a naked sport bike, twin cylinder, 500, fuel injection, liquid cooled, beautiful material. It's a matte gray and silver finish. Only 455 miles on this gorgeous CB500F. Comes with a GV rear rack, so you can put your gear on there, or you can just attach any of the GV top cases. Come by, check it out. Price to sell, just $47.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.